Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it. Here, scroll down, and as you can see, below volume we have a ringtone and notification sound. Let's tap on ringtone first, and here we have a list of ringtones we can select. We can also listen to them, basically to preview, by tapping on one to select it, like this. I'm gonna go through all of them so you can hear them. Find the one you like, tap on it to select it, and then simply swipe right on the screen to go back. Now let's tap on notification sound, and here we have a list of notification sounds we can select, and we have beep, chirp, flicker, handbell, knock, music box, sky, soft chime, ticking clock, and wine cork, my bad. Select the one you like, and again swipe right on the screen. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, like that. There's also another way to change the ringtone on your watch. To do it, you can use the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. In the app, scroll down, tap on watch settings, select sound and vibration, and here we have ringtone and notification sounds, or sound rather. You can tap on ringtone, you have a list of ringtones as you can see. Again, you can select one to listen to it, and then you can simply go back, like that. After you select the one you like, of course. So select the one you like and go back. Next we have notification sound, the same, we have a list. Find the one you like, and then go back, like this. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.